Have you ever wondered why your dog does some weird thing? From barking at their reflection to running around like crazy, in today's video we're diving into the secrets behind 10 weird dog behaviors. Stick around to discover why your furry friend acts the way they do and how you can better understand them. Don't miss out, let's explore these curious canine quirks together. 1. Barking at its reflection in the mirror. One of the most common and perplexing behaviors is when dogs bark at their reflection in the mirror. Have you seen your dog doing this? This behavior is particularly common in puppies or dogs encountering a mirror for the first time. They might think they're seeing another dog and react as they would when meeting a new canine friend. A 2017 study from Barnard College revealed that dogs recognize themselves primarily by smell, not by sight. When your dog stands in front of a mirror, it might circle the mirror, try to attack the reflection, or even growl. However, when it realizes there's no smell coming from the reflection, its interest usually diminishes. This process is called habituation, which is a key part of their learning and memory. Interestingly, if your dog goes a long time without seeing a mirror, it might react again by barking at its reflection due to a lesser known phenomenon called spontaneous recovery. But eventually, they'll stop barking when they realize it's pointless. This behavior helps in appreciating how dogs perceive the world around them, largely through their noses rather than their eyes. 2. Licking your face. Another peculiar behavior is when dogs lick human faces. Contrary to popular belief, dogs don't usually lick other dogs' faces. They reserve this behavior for humans. When dogs are puppies, they lick their mother's faces as a greeting, and in return, the mothers regurgitate food to feed them. This might sound a bit gross, but this is what wolf pups, foxes, and wild dogs do with their mothers after hunting. This behavior shows that dogs see us as their caretakers. When your dog licks your face, it's not expecting you to regurgitate food, but it's a sign that it trusts you and sees you as a provider. Additionally, licking can be a way for dogs to gather information about what you've eaten, leveraging their keen sense of smell and taste. This behavior, inherited from their ancestors, is an instinctive form of survival. So when your dog licks your face, it's not only seeking your affection, but also following an ancestral instinct. 3. Stretching when it sees you. Have you noticed that your dog stretches when you come home or when you pick up the leash? This isn't just a simple stretch like we do. Dogs stretch to warm up their muscles, but when you appear, it's much more than that. In those moments, your dog is emotionally preparing for the fun and play that are about to come. This stretching is like their way of saying, I'm ready for action. It's a sign of excitement and anticipation before the moments of joy and activity they know are coming. This behavior is also a way for your dog to express its happiness and readiness to engage with you. The stretch can be seen as a greeting, showing that they are happy to see you and ready for whatever comes next, whether it's a walk, playtime, or just some cuddle. It helps strengthen the bond between you and your dog, as you can appreciate their excitement and readiness to interact with you. 4. Running frantically. Zoomies. Have you ever seen your dog running around like crazy, zipping from room to room? This phenomenon is commonly known as zoomies, or frenetic periods of random activity, and it's completely normal. According to the American Kennel Club, all dogs, from puppies to seniors, can experience zoomies. The reasons for this vary. It can be a way to release tension and anxiety, especially after stressful situations like a bath. Other times, it's a wild celebration after doing their business, or a way to escape from an uncomfortable situation. It can also be a demonstration of pure enthusiasm, for example, upon seeing a very special person. Zoomies are an explosion of energy and happiness. This behavior is a perfect opportunity for us to have fun with our furry friend. When your dog experiences zoomies, it's their way of burning off excess energy and expressing their joy and excitement. Instead of worrying, you can join in the fun and enjoy these moments of exuberance. This behavior can help you recognize the times when your dog needs to release pent-up energy and ensure they get enough exercise and mental stimulation. 5. Eating feces. Coprophagy. Seeing your dog eating its feces can be quite unpleasant, but it's more common than you might think. You shouldn't be alarmed or severely reprimand your dog for this behavior. Coprophagy, although quite uncomfortable for us, has its reasons. Puppies, for example, may do it by imitating their mothers, who clean the area this way, or it may be an attempt to keep their space clean as they initially do all their business indoor. When it comes to adult dogs, the situation changes. Eating feces can be a request for attention, a sign of fear of punishment, stress, or boredom. The key is to understand why your dog is doing this and seek solutions by working with your veterinarian. And remember, never punish your dog for this behavior. It's a response to a problem or a learned behavior. One approach to managing this behavior is to ensure your dog dog has a clean and stimulating environment. Regularly cleaning up after them and providing plenty of toys and activities can help reduce the likelihood of coprophagy. A balanced diet and regular veterinary checkups can address any nutritional deficiencies or health issues that might be contributing to this behavior. Understanding the reasons behind coprophagy can help you take appropriate steps to manage it effectively. 6. Bringing gift. When your dog brings you a gift, whether it's their favorite toy, a shoe, or even a dirty sock, they're telling you something very special. They love you and trust you. Dogs are often quite possessive of their things, so if they decide to share something with you, it's a clear sign of their affection and trust. It may be their way of inviting you to play, getting your attention, or simply showing pride in their treasure. Remember, whatever they bring, from a toy to an intimate piece of clothing, they do it because they see you as an important member of their family. This behavior is a way for your dog to communicate their love and appreciation for you. It's important to acknowledge and appreciate these gestures, as they strengthen the bond between you and your dog. By responding positively to their gift, you can reinforce their trust and affection, making your relationship even stronger. 7. Sighing. Have you ever heard your dog sigh? Mine does it from time to time, and it always catches my attention. It turns out that this sound can mean two very different things. On one hand, a sigh can be a sign of satisfaction and happiness, occurring after pleasant moments like a good playtime or a delicious meal. It's your dog's way of saying, "I'm happy and relaxed." On the other hand, a sigh can also be an expression of disappointment. If your dog is begging for food during dinner and doesn't succeed, this sigh could mean, "I give up." Thus, your dog's sighs are a window into their emotion, revealing whether they're fully satisfied or a bit disappointed. Understanding the context in which your dog sighs can help you interpret their feelings accurately. By paying attention to their body language and the situations that lead to sighing, you can better understand their emotional state and respond appropriately. Whether it's a sign of contentment or frustration, recognizing and acknowledging your dog's sighs can enhance your connection with them. 8. Sleeping on its back. Have you ever seen your dog sleeping on its back and found it very funny? This peculiar posture is actually a clever way for them to regulate their body temperature. Dogs, especially those with thick fur, are good at retaining heat, but may struggle to cool down. Their ability to sweat is very limited, and panting isn't compatible with deep sleep. By sleeping on their backs, they expose the underside of their bodies where the fur is thinner or even non-existent, which helps them release heat more easily. On hot days, they'll seek out cool spots or drafts to lie down and lower their temperature. But when it comes to puppies, this position may be more accidental, as they probably fell asleep suddenly after intense play. This behavior is also a sign of trust and comfort. A dog that sleeps on its back feels safe and secure in its environment. Understanding this behavior can help you create a comfortable and safe space for your dog, ensuring they can rest and relax fully. By providing a cool, comfortable sleeping area and ensuring they feel secure, you can support their well-being and overall health. 9. Waiting outside the bathroom. Does your dog wait outside the bathroom or rest there while you're inside? This isn't necessarily a sign of anxiety, it's an expression of their pack instinct. Dogs are social creatures that in nature live and move in groups. By waiting outside the bathroom, your dog is practicing this pack behavior, wanting to be very close to you. Unless it shows signs of anxiety, like panting or scratching at the door, this behavior is simply its way of keeping you in its pack, demonstrating that it sees you as an important member of its group. This behavior also reflects your dog's desire to be near you and protective. Dogs view their human family members as part of their pack and want to stay close to ensure their safety. Understanding this behavior can help you appreciate your dog's loyalty and protective instinct. By acknowledging their desire to be close, you can strengthen the bond between you and your dog, ensuring they feel secure and valued. 10. Excessively licking its paws. The act of excessively licking paws in dogs is a behavior you shouldn't ignore. Although licking is part of their individual care routine, doing it intensely or focusing on just one paw can be a warning sign. It can indicate anything from a minor injury, like a cut or blister, to more serious issues, like allergies or parasite infections. If you notice this behavior, check your dog's paws carefully. Dogs that constantly lick their paws may have a deep wound between two toes. If you don't find anything visible, it could also be dermatitis caused by allergies to certain chemicals or food. Constant licking can also be a sign of boredom or anxiety. Make sure to provide them with enough exercise and stimulating toys to keep them busy. If the problem persists, consult your veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. Addressing the underlying causes of excessive licking can help ensure your dog's comfort and health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into your furry friend's world. Drop a comment below about the weirdest thing your dog does. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.